Here we'll talk about the volatile latch. The volatile latch looks like this. There are no settings associated with this latch. This latch is reset dominant. If both the set and reset are on, I mean logical 1, then the output is off or logical 0. When using the latch in your flex logic, be aware that if there is a loss of control power, the latch will reset. In this video, we'll go ahead and create a simple volatile latch circuit. We'll take two contact inputs and we'll bring it into, tie it into our SR latch, our volatile latch. The inputs will be tied, one to the set, the other one to the reset. And to complete the circuit, we need to assign it to a virtual output. One more thing that we'll introduce is an LED. And that completes our circuit. To change your LED designation in your circuit, you can double click on the LED and click on the pull down, and you can pick and choose whichever LED is available. You can select it. You have a choice of either going with the type of either resettable or a latch condition. Once you select OK, the LED is now updated. Here we have a truth table that shows the correlation between the inputs set and reset against the output. If the set is on and the reset is off, meaning on being a logical 1 and off being a logical 0, the output is on. If they're both off, then the state doesn't change from its previous state. If they're both on, then the output is off. If the set is off and the reset is on, then the output is off.